Join, umzabalazo.
Hi, Honorable Dudu Zuma. How's it?
Good on yourself.
Fantastic. So, just give us a brief run through as to what we're doing exactly here at Moses Mabhida and the event that we're leading up to.
What's happening here is the official year-end function of the country. uMkhonto weSizwe's first year anniversary.
Okay, so how do you feel about that, the fact that we're the official opposition in Parliament?
It's exciting. It's very historical, so it's something to be proud of. All of us must be proud of that. It's never been done before.
Interesting. So, you are the Southern Chairperson in Pan-African Parliament. How does that make you feel, particularly the fact that you are now leading the charge as a woman?
You know, I am humbled and honored at the opportunity, but more excited for MK because now we are officially on the continental map, which is great.
Fantastic. So, just a quick one. I'm well aware that you need to dash off somewhere. What is your message of support to uMkhonto weSizwe Party, and what do you wish for us in the new year that we're headed into?
Just to keep growing. Just keep growing. That's what we've got to do. We need to, focus for what we're here for, liberating, uniting, and taking over.
To you, if you were asked to encapsulate the beauty that is Africa, what would you say?
The people. You know, I think the people make Africa absolutely amazing and beautiful, and that's why we have so much interest in this country. Well, in the continent, rather say, yeah.
So, could you let us in on a bit of the plans that you have for Pan-African Parliament from uMkhonto weSizwe as to how it comes into the fore?
Well, I must say this. As uMkhonto weSizwe, we managed to break there was a stronghold between the ANC and ZANU-PF. And MK being able to come in there, were able to break that bullish because they were bullying the continent, and the southern region. So hoping that MK can help stabilize and unify.
Would you agree with those that say that MK is the future, but I would go on to say that we're present, we're not the future?
We are definitely the future, and you are correct. We are here, and we're doing it in the present, so yeah.
Okay, so let's break it back a bit. What is like a fun day for you as Dudu Zuma?
Jeez. Laying in bed, to be honest, and doing absolutely nothing, and just being with my kids.
Okay, that's very interesting. So now you just mentioned that you're a mom. How do you find balance between political scene, being everybody's person, and most importantly, being a mom? How do you juggle all of that?
It hasn't been easy because I literally did a 360. I went from being a stay-at-home mom, a housewife, to a politician. So having my daughters always having me every single day to now having mom not being there all the time. It's been an adjustment, but we've managed it, we've navigated it, and we're good.
Okay, so to you, what would you say is the highlight of 2024 with regards to uMkhonto weSizwe Party, and also a personal one if you care to share with us?
Highlight. I think just being an official opposition party is a huge highlight. It's a huge achievement and something that we should celebrate. And I think being here and celebrating our first year anniversary is what we need to do, just be happy and celebrate.
Okay, so if you were to engage someone like me, who people would say is a coconut, what would you say? I mean, look, it's a fact. What would you say is something that's prevalent that I ought to know about uMkhonto weSizwe and how it can possibly bring forth change to not only the country, but to myself as well?
I think a lot, and when you say that term, like I'm also probably referred to as that, So what I would say to people like us is to say it's possible. Look where I'm at, and I've managed to do it having that label. So it's very, very possible.
Definitely, I agree with you. I think people ought to not only know what uMkhonto weSizwe stands for, but particularly also like our people's mandate, our different structures. We have different women at the fore. So what should we anticipate from Dudu Zuma-Sambudla? Or rather, let me fix that. Dudu Zuma in 2025.
Yeah. Girl, to be very honest, I am actually, and you know this, I'm a behind-the-scenes kind of person, so being in the forefront is actually something that I've had to learn. Yeah. It's been overwhelming, having mics in your face. There's something I had to adjust to get used to. I think I would want people to just expect growth and to grow with me. You know, I'm learning. I will make mistakes. I probably have made mistakes, you know, but we learn from it. And see me in 10 years, girl.
Yeah. So just to close it off, what is your message for uMkhonto weSizwe? And most importantly, to the young women who are actually listening here and actually watching you and seeing you as a pioneer. Because reality is you are shaking tables, you are moving around, and we're very proud of you. So what is your message to us? And most importantly, what's your message to uMkhonto weSizwe?
Wow, to women, I think the message will be just to take up our space and never get tired of trying to break the barrier. You know, I mean, I'm here, yes, but it hasn't been easy. There's always men that think they deserve to be in that position or they can do better because they're a man. So we just need to keep holding each other's hands as women and soldier on, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay, carpe diem, I guess. Thank you so much for joining us. We understand that you're a busy woman. We look forward to seeing all the great and beautiful work that you're going to do. And most importantly, we're proud of you. Continue being a champion and a pioneer and a titan for women.